this opportune moment where the National Sports University family is joined by these esteemed personalities and gems of sports, we will take a moment and release a newsletter. For that, may I request the guest on the dais, the guest of honor for today's program, who is present with us on the dais, Shri S. Lokeshwar Sir. I request VC officiating, Professor S. Usha Nair ma'am. I request Registrar Sir and all the Olympians and the Padma Shri awardees to kindly release the newsletter. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause. This is the first volume and the first issue. Abhyas, an MSc the hard-working team who has put and किया है। यह है कि मणिपुर के 19 खिलाड़ियों ने अब तक ओलंपिक खेलों में देश का प्रतिनिधित्व किया है, which is a huge margin considering that Manipur is such a tiny state, tiny yet powerful, and hence often doted as the powerhouse of sports in the country. This year, we would like to honor some of the Olympians and Arjuna awardees and Padma Shri awardees as a mark of respect, with the hope that it will inspire and motivate our students to work towards success. And for honoring them, ladies and gentlemen, we have prepared a montage of videos for our esteemed personalities. Can we have the first video played?
Shri Khetri Singh. Shri Khetri Singh is an Indian field hockey player who represented India at the Olympics and Asian Games. He played as a left winger and was known for his speed and stamina. Born in the year 1961 in Imphal, Manipur, to Khetri Singh and Khetri Omni.
On the stage, can you stop the video?
Which India came in the Summer Olympics held South Korea, which India came in the 6th place. Shri Singh got international attention in that played with the home team South Korea. The legendary Singh and very much similar to that of their players scored 2 goals which bashed all the hopes of the home spectators. Aberdeen Olympics. He represented India at Asia Cup 1985, 1985, Champions Trophy 1985, 1989, Muslim Cup 1985, 1986, Asian Games 1988, World Cup 1986, Indoor After Series 1986, Five Nation 1988, and Indoor Badminton 1987. The finest hockey players in India, Sri Singh was elected as the president of the Manipur Hockey Federation, also selected for the
Prior to this, he has also coached the Imphal Rangers Tier 2 in the Premium Hockey League, presently working as Deputy General Manager for the Corporation of India Regional Office in Imphal, Manipur. The National Sports University extends a hearty welcome to you, sir.
A huge round of applause for the legendary K3 Mayun Singh, sir. And to do the honor, may I request our Vice Chancellor Madam to kindly felicitate sir. I request Professor Usha S. Nair, the Honorable Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, to kindly honor the legendary K3 Mayun Singh. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Padma Shri Namirakpam Kunjarani Devi is an Indian weightlifter. She is among the most decorated Indian sportswomen in weightlifting. Kunjarani Devi was born on 1st March 1968 to late N. Rabai Singh at Kairang Mayalekai in Imphal to a Hindu Meitei family. She started taking interest in sports while still in high school in 1978. By the time she finished her graduation from Maharaja Bodha Chandra College in Imphal, weightlifting had become her first choice. She was a recipient of the Arjuna Award in 1990 and shared the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the year 1996-97 with Leander Pease. In the same year, she also won the KK Birla Sports Award. She also got her name registered in the Limca Book Personal of the Year 1998 and won many more prestigious national awards. She was also awarded President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service and Police Medal for Service in 2015. The Government of India awarded her the civilian honor of Padma Shri in the year 2011 in honor of her contribution. Madam has an astounding 68 national medals to her credit. To name a few, she won a gold medal at the 2006 Commonwealth Games held in Melbourne for 48 kg women's weightlifting with a Games record with an overall lift of 166 kg. Her first World Women's Weightlifting Championship was the Manchester edition in 1989 and brought home the silver medal. Since then, she has taken part in 7 successive World Championships and has won medals at every one of those competitions with the exception of the Melbourne edition in 1993. Madam N. Kunjarani Devi holds the rank of a Commandant and Nodal Officer of Central Sports Team in the Central Reserve Police Force. She was also the coach of the Indian women's weightlifting team in the Commonwealth Games 2014 in Glasgow and has produced and inspired many athletes as a coach. The National Sports University is honored to have you with us today, Madam, and we extend a hearty welcome to you.
A huge round of applause for Padma Shri Namayakpam Kunjarani Devi, Madam. And to do the honor, may I again invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Madam, to kindly felicitate Padma Shri Namayakpam Kunjarani Devi, Madam. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am. Next video, please.
Shri
was born on 2nd, 1991 in West Manipur. He plays as a halfback in hockey. He is regarded as one of the players to was 8 back in 1999 when he went to watch the 5th National Games hosted by Manipur. He got a few years of guidance from legends like Brojen Singh, and then in 2006 he got a chance to show his talent in the Nehru Society tournament in the under-17 category in Delhi. Chinglen made his debut in the Indian team in the Champions Challenge 1 in South Africa in 2011. Since then, he has been a regular member of the squad. Chinglen Sana Singh Kamujam was part of Indian men's national hockey team that took part in the Olympics 2012 and 2016, World Cups 2014-2018, Asian Games 2014-2018, Commonwealth Games 2014-2018. Chinglen contributed to many of India's achievements. He was part of the 2013 Hockey Asia Cup, which won silver. He was also part of the silver winning team of Commonwealth Games 2014 in Glasgow. The same year, India also finished 9th in the Hockey World Cup 2014. He was part of the squad for Asian Games 2014, which secured gold medal, producing one of the best achievements till date for Chinglen. In 2017 Hockey Asia Cup, Chinglen secured gold again. Chinglen Sana served the national hockey team for about a decade and was honored with the prestigious Arjuna Award in 2019. The National Sports University extends a hearty welcome to you.
To honor Sir, I request our Registrar, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, to kindly felicitate Shri Chinglen Sana. I request everyone for a huge round of applause, please. Thank you, sir. I request for the next video, please.
Miss Ligmabam Shushila Devi. Judoka Ligmabam Sushila Devi belongs to Haingang Mayailekai, located in Imphal East District. Born in 1995, she is the second oldest among 4 children. Right from the very beginning, signs of a champion, excelling in events ranging from local to the prestigious Commonwealth Games. Her uncle, Ligmabam Dinit, who has been an international judo player, took Shushila to the Kuman Lampak in December 2002. In Kuman Lampak, she started receiving training at a very young age. She also trained under Sabitri Chanu of Sports Authority of India and Special Area Games Kuman Lampak. Sushila became a known name after she won a silver medal at 2014 Commonwealth Games held in Glasgow, Scotland. In the 2019 South Asian Games, she won a gold medal in the women's 48 kg weight class. In 2022 Commonwealth Games Birmingham, she brought home the silver medal in the women's 48 kg judo class. She became the first Indian judoka to participate at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Shushila Ligmabam was honored with the prestigious Arjuna Award in the year 2022 in recognition of her contribution in judo. The National Sports University is honored to have you with us, madam.
To honor, I request again our Registrar, Dr. L. Dibamani sir, to kindly felicitate. A huge round of applause, please. Next video, please.
Padma Shri Ulnam Bembem Devi. Padma Shri Oinam Bembem Devi was born on 1st March 1980 to late Oinam Nageshwar Singh at the Pishunthong Oinam Lekai, Imphal West, Manipur. She is a former captain of the women's Indian national team and has won various trophies for the country. Madam Bembem began her career as a footballer in 1988 when she began training at the United Pioneers Club in Imphal. In 1991, she was selected to represent the Manipur under-13 team in the sub-junior football tournament. Since that moment, she became unstoppable. In 2017, she was honored with the Arjuna Award by the Government of India. She was nicknamed the Durga of Indian football and is currently involved in spreading awareness about women's football in India. The Government of India has honored her with the prestigious Padma Shri Award in the year 2020, making her the first Indian woman footballer to receive the prestigious award. She has won various national awards for her skill and talent in football, namely the first Women's Best Footballer of the Year 2001 of India, won the same medal again in the year 2013. She has captained the Indian team and has lifted the trophy, namely the first, second and third SAF Women's Football Championships in the year 2010, 2012, 2014. 12th South Asian Games in 2016, the Maldives Women League in 2014, where she was the top scorer of the tournament and the best player of the tournament. Bembem Devi is serving as head coach of the Eastern Sporting Union Manipur and has won various accolades for her work as a coach. Madam is currently serving as a deputy SP in Manipur Police. The National Sports University is honored to welcome you to its 6th Foundation Day 2024.
And to honor Madam, may I invite on stage Dean Students Welfare of National Sports University, Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath sir.
Ms. Naureen
Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Our next exceptional sports person who could not be with us because her flight got cancelled, but we still want to honor her, and we have prepared a montage of video for her as well. Can we have the video on screen?
Ms. Naureen Roshibina Devi. Ms. Naureen Roshibina Devi is an Indian Wushu player who competes in the Sanda division. Roshibina Devi was born on 30th December 2000 in the village Kwaksifai Mayailekai, Vishnupur district, Manipur. She attended the Chanangam Ibomcha College in Vishnupur to pursue Bachelor of Arts. Roshibina was drawn to various martial arts forms including Thangta, a traditional Manipuri martial art, and boxing. Her dedication to these disciplines laid the foundation for her future success in Wushu. Roshibina Devi's breakthrough came when she represented India at the National Wushu Championships, where she clinched gold medals in various categories. One of her most notable achievements was at the 2009 Asian Wushu Championships, where she won a silver medal in the women's Sanda event. This accomplishment launched her to international recognition and set the stage for her future success. She made her mark in the girls 48 kg class in 2016, placing third and taking home a bronze medal at the Burgas World Junior Wushu Championships. In the 9th Asia Junior Wushu Championships held in Gumeen, South Korea, she won a gold medal. In the 2018 Asian Games, she competed in the women's Sanda 60 kg and was awarded a bronze medal. In September 2023, Naureen Roshibina won silver in the women's 60 kg Wushu Sanda at the 19th Asian Games, China. In recognition of her hard work and talent, the Government of India has awarded her the prestigious Arjuna Award in January this year. The National Sports University extends a warm welcome to you, madam.
huge round of applause for Naure Roshibina Devi. We are truly inspired by her achievements and we really look forward to be motivated and achieve our goals. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also joined by an esteemed personality on the stage, and we would like to take a moment to honor Sir for his contributions. Can we have the video on the screen?
Shri Soram Lokeshwar Singh. Soram Lokeshwar Singh was born on 21st April 1936 at Nagamapal Rims Road, Imphal, as the youngest son of Soram Kalachand Singh and Moirangthem Ibearma Devi. He is married to Vaishnav Pramodini Devi and have 4 daughters and 2 sons. Graduating from DM College, Imphal, he took his master's degree in history from the University of Bombay in 1965. He served as a lecturer in history at the Thobal College from 1966 to 1984 and then transferred to Manipur College where he served until his retirement in August 96. He fondly played hockey, athletics and football, champion athlete of DM College in the year 1956 and 1958, Wilson College 1963 and 1964, and Manipuri State Games 1955 and 1960. He has contributed articles of sports in periodicals, souvenirs, commemorative magazines, etc. in Manipuri and English. He has also written a book named The Annals of the All Manipur Sports Association in 2007. He is a columnist of the Shanghai Express and the Pokno Firm, led Manipur contingent at the 32nd National Games Hyderabad in 2002 as Chef de Mission. He is truly inspirational personality and a living proof that age is just a number.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Shri Soram Lokeshwar Sir. And to do the honor, may I request Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam Professor Usha S. Nair. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir.
आत्मविश्वास और जुनून को खूब बढ़ाओ, अपने आप को एक सफल खिलाड़ी बनाओ। इसी तरह प्रतिभावान खिलाड़ी हो या छात्र, उनकी प्रतिभा दिख ही जाती है। आगे बढ़ते हुए सम्मानित करेंगे राष्ट्रीय खेल विश्वविद्यालय के होनहार छात्रों का। इसके लिए मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी हमारी कार्यवाहक कुलपति माननीय प्रोफेसर उषा एस नायर का, और उनसे अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो हमारे प्रतिभावान छात्रों का पुरस्कार देके उनका हौसला बढ़ाए।
Ladies and gentlemen, every Foundation Day we honor the toppers of each courses which are there in National Sports University. And this time we have a list of names which has like list of students' names who have topped various courses here in National Sports University. In BPS course, we have Ankit Chaudhary topping with a CGPA of 7.85. Then we have for BSc Sports Coaching, Vaibhav Bua with a CGPA of 7.8. A huge round of applause. He is son of Vilas Bua and Srimati Lalita Bua. Then we have for MPS course, Khaidem Boris Singh. Although Boris Singh is not here physically, his father will receive the memento on his behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Shri Kaisham Chauba Singh, father of Khaidem Boris Singh. He scored a CGPA of 8.12. Then in MA Sports Psychology, we have Karn Kunte with a CGPA of 7.92. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. The National Sports University is providing scholarships to its students for the academic session 2022-2023. And today we will be announcing the recipient of those scholarships. So we have the University Merit Scholarship. I'll announce the name of the students who will be receiving the scholarships from National Sports University. We have from BPS S. Jason David. And to honor him, I request Madam to kindly felicitate our student, Jason David. Next, we have Manish Nath from BPS. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for these students. I request our registrar sir to kindly felicitate Manish Nath. Next, we have Santosh JB from BSc Sports Coaching. Santosh JB from BSc Sports Coaching. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor Madam and respected Registrar Sir to kindly felicitate the student. We have other students who will be receiving the scholarships who have gone for internship or for participation in AIU, but nonetheless, I'll announce the names. We have R.T. Goswami from BSc Sports Coaching. We have Yaisana Loktongbam, BSc Sports Coaching. Madhurika Indurkar, Masters in Sports Psychology. And from MPES, Masters in Physical Education and Sports, we have Tiasa Hum. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Tiasa Hum. We have one more student who will be receiving this award, that is Satyarth Gautam from MSc Sports Coaching. He won't be able to receive physically as he has gone for internship.
Next, we have our University Cum Means Scholarship. The students are not here as they have gone for internship, however, we will announce their name. We have Kriti Raj from BPES. Next, we have Ajay Kaushik from BPES. And third is Mohammad Shabit from Masters of Sports Psychology. Next, we have University Sports Merit Scholarship. And for that, first we have Mr. Jatin Bajaj from Masters of Physical Education and Sports. Next, Ms. Nidhi from Masters of Sports Psychology, who has gone for intern and unfortunately she has not joined us, as well as Ms. Anu from Masters of Sports Coaching. Next is Mr. Ankit Kumar from Masters of Physical Education and Sports.
We have two more students who are the recipient of the University Sports Merit Scholarship. They have gone for AIU participation, but however, we're going to announce their names. Mr. Siddharth Dey from MPES course, Ms. Aarti Goswami from BSc Sports Coaching. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a huge round of applause for all these students who have received scholarship from National Sports University. And it is to be noted that this is the first time the National Sports University has started its fellowship program.
Moving forward, we would like to honor our sports achievers who have made our university proud by representing in various national and international events. To start, I would like to call Ms. Zenika Naurem of BPES. Ms. Zenika Naurem of BPES, she has secured 4th and 5th position in the 14th World Bodybuilding and Physique Sports Championship. And for that, I would like to request our VC ma'am and our next, we have Ms. Nidhi from Masters of Sports Psychology, who has not joined us, unfortunately, because of internship. However, I would like to invite her coach and manager, who has guided her and supported her during her journey, to win the bronze and silver medal in the 36th National Games in All India Varsity. Her coach, Shri L. Neutral Singh, and her manager, Dr. Kuldeep Singh. Shri Neutral Singh and Dr. Kuldeep Singh. Next, I request our today's guest, Mr. Khitrimyum Thoiba Singh, to kindly honor our next students. Thoiba sir. Our next student is Y. Ichan Tombi Devi, who has secured gold medal in the 37th National Games in the discipline of Wushu. Miss Y. Ichan Tombi Devi. Next, I would like to call S. Atharva Maitai, who has participated in the 37 National Games for the discipline of swimming. Next, K. Sonia Chanu, participation 37th National Games. K. Sonia Chanu. Sylvia Maitram, participation 37th National Games swimming. Next, I would like to call the coach who has guided them in this journey, Shri M. Rakesh Sundar Singh Sir.
We'll be felicitating the coach who has worked hard and who has guided our swimmers to make this possible in the National Games. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. To proceed further, my request Chinglian Sana sir to kindly felicitate our next achiever, Miss Shirley Mary Karbuli for her participation in 37th National Games in shooting. We have Miss Sylvia Lokrapam, shooting participation in the 37th National Games. We would also like to honor the coach of the shooting team, Mr. K. Tijain Sarma. Can we have sir on stage? Our next achiever is Manishta Ningombam, wrestling participation in 37th National Games. Next we have Secho Lamo, Taekwondo, bronze in All India University. We have Mr. Manish Nath, Taekwondo, bronze medal in All India University. Thank you, Manish. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Miss Y. Echentombi Devi, gold medalist in 37 National Games in Wushu. A huge round of applause. And to do the honor, I request Toiba sir.
Now I request, to do the honors, I request Judoka Sushila Likmabam. Our next student is Miss Anu for rope skipping, bronze in All India Varsity. Miss Aarti Goswami, Miss Anshita Yadav, Miss Priya Rani Y. Rope skipping, bronze, All India Varsity. Next is Mr. Jatin Bajaj, rope skipping, silver and bronze, All India Varsity. Ma'am. Mr. Siddharth Day, rope skipping, silver and bronze, All India Varsity. Mr. Samir, rope skipping, silver and bronze, All India Varsity. To do the honors, I request Judoka Sushila ma'am to please do the honors. Mr. Ankit Kumar, Mr. Samir. Okay, Mr. Ankit Kumar, rope skipping, bronze, All India Varsity. Then Mr. Rahul Kumar, rope skipping, silver in All India Varsity. Next, I would like to mention a name who was with us since the beginning of our national. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I would like to mention a name who was with us since the beginning of National Sports University. Now he has joined as the Deputy Director of Sports in Nagaland University. Dr. Harish Kumar Tiwari, who had guided the students who have received bronze and silver medal in the rope skipping event in the All India Varsity events.
To move further, we would like to honor the National Sports University men's football team for their spectacular performance in the Northeast Zone All India University for securing gold medal. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the entire football team, Mr. Arunjit A.K., Nauram Close, and Surjakanta, Jetli Bura, Abhishek Tiwari, K.H. Radhakanta, Vivekanand Oinam, Mr. Joy Prakash, Renedi Hodam, Subhash, Mr. James Raikan, and to do the honor, may I request Padma Shri Bembem Devi, who herself is a footballer, to kindly motivate and inspire our students. A huge round of applause for these students. We have Mr. Soibam Nobel, Saranso, Yu Lanthoiba, Harsh, Hirasingni, Abhijit, Loyamba, Tansokmi, Nokbe, Mr. Surmani, Mr. Nabil. Ladies and gentlemen, this spectacular performance is possible only because of the hard work and dedication of its coach. So, let me take a moment to honor the coach of the football team of National Sports University, Mr. Y. Biondi Meite. A huge round of applause for the coach and also Dr. S. Premanand Singh, who was the manager of the football team. Can we have you on stage, sir? The entire team gave a spectacular performance in the Northeast Zone All India University and won the gold medal. Huge moment for National Sports University. Yes, for the coach and the manager, huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Moving on, I would like to request Padma Shri N. Kunjarani Devi to do the honors. Next we have Mr. Vaishak Nambiar, who got gold in 24th Junior and 25th Senior State Weightlifting Championships 2023 in weightlifting. Since Madam is a prominent name in weightlifting itself, Ma'am Kunjarani Devi, we request her to do the honors. Next is Ms. Tang Devi, who has won silver medal in weightlifting in 24th Junior and 25th State Weightlifting Championships 2023. Next is Ms. Tadal Neha, weightlifting, bronze medal. Bronze medal, 24th. Ms. Tadar Neha, bronze medal in weightlifting, 24th Junior and 25th Senior State Weightlifting Championships 2023. Next is Ms. Debarina Chanu, weightlifting, bronze medal in the same event, 24th Junior and 25th Senior State Weightlifting Championship 2023. Ms. Debarina Chanu. I would like to call their coach on stage, Mr. Praloy Kanti Sarkar, who has trained and guided our students to achieve such an honor today, Mr. Praloy Kanti Sarkar. Next, we have our Kabaddi team who won the silver medal in the 70th Senior State Kabaddi Championships. I would like to call out the team members of Kabaddi team, Mr. Vaishnav R, Mr. Falendra Kumar Sahu, Mr. Saurabh Chaudhary, Ajay Kaushik, Ashutosh Kumar, Adarsh Kumar Tiwari, Himesh Chakma, Anirudh, Santosh Maurya, and Priyanshu Singh. The Kabaddi team who won the silver medal in the 70th Senior State Kabaddi Championship. Now to honor the manager, Dr. A. Yuvraj, who had accompanied our students. He was also the coach for our students. He has helped them to achieve this honor today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you, ma'am. In addition to our students achieving, we have our faculty members who have left no stone unturned and have been flexing their talents and skills in various tournaments. This year, we would like to honor Mr. K. Ravi Shankar Singh and Dr. S. Vinay Kumar Singh, who were the winner in the men's double in the 65th State Masters Badminton Championship 2023. We have Mr. Ravi Shankar, and to do the honor, may I request Shri S. Lokeshwar sir to kindly felicitate Mr. Ravi Shankar sir. Dr. Vinay Kumar is right now with the team in Amritsar. He has gone with the fencing team for All India University competitions. And it is to be noted that Mr. K. Ravi Shankar was a silver medalist in the same badminton championship in men's single. A huge round of applause for Mr. Ravi Shankar. Thank you, everyone. Sir Nelson Mandela, the Nobel Laureate for Peace and former President of South Africa, said in one of his speeches, and I quote, "Sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. It speaks to youth in a language they understand. Sport can create hope where once there was only despair," unquote. But to inspire the next generation, we need the right professionals to lead and coach them in sports. It is with this as one of the missions that National Sports University Manipur was set up in the year 2018. The university is presently functional from its temporary campus here at Kumanla Park Sports Complex, Imphal. The Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, laid the foundation stone of the National Sports University on this very day. Ladies and gentlemen, this occasion gives us an opportunity to take stock of our achievements and to rededicate ourselves to face the new challenges that lie ahead. Now, with utmost reverence, may I invite the Honorable Officiating Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, Professor Usha S. Nair Ma'am, to kindly present the annual report on this auspicious occasion. Madam, please.
Thank you, Devla. Most respected chief guest of this function, Srimati Sujata Chaturvedi, IS, esteemed Olympians, Arjun awardees, guest of honor Shri S. Lokeshwar sir, Sir Registrar, all the invited guests, staff, students of the National Sports University. It gives me immense pleasure and pride and enthusiasm to state that as we celebrate the 6th Foundation Day of our esteemed National Sports University, 6 years ago, our visionaries envisioned a place where the pursuit of excellence in sports and academia could seamlessly converge, giving birth to the National Sports University. Today we reflect on the journey we have undertaken. It is heartening to witness the incredible growth and achievements that have defined our university. In these 6 years, we have not merely built buildings or institutions. We have forged a legacy. Our university stands as a symbol to the holistic development of individuals, where the pursuit of sporting excellence is coupled with commitment to academic brilliance. Our faculty has tirelessly worked towards imparting knowledge and extends beyond the textbooks and the field. They have nurtured not just athletes but well-rounded individuals, instilling in them values of discipline, teamwork, life skills, and resilience. Today we see the fruits of their labor in the form of outstanding students who are excelling not just in the field but in classrooms, research labs, some of them who are hub of innovation and research in the field of sports science. Our research endeavors have not only contributed to the academic world, so far continue and I find that you are achievements. They are living embodiments of the spirit of our institution. We take pride in their achievements. As we celebrate the 6th Foundation Day, let us renew our commitments to the ideal. Let us strive for continuous improvement. I know there are challenges, but we, as a baby is growing in, we do require support. Inspired Sports University, one of the significant contributions had been by Professor Jayashree Acharya, who had done a commendable service to make it start, giving birth to it. And I would like to acknowledge former Vice Chancellor Sir R.C. Mishra IAS, who has given us a legacy for this National Sport University. I call him as the father of this National Sport University. And many more we are able to grow just because of this strong foundation laid by all those who have helped to render us. On this occasion, I would like to make a special mention of the Secretary Madam, because often National Sports University is young. So often the youngest child gets more of love and support, and always concern is shown. So I'm so happy to mention that we are growing and we are getting the entire support, and with the blessings of Secretary Ma'am, I find that we are able to do much better. She has given us wings. She has given us an opportunity to dream and wings to fly. And I can assure ma'am, with your support, National Sports University would be known globally. Now just a brief report I'd like to mention in terms of the academics. During this National Sports University, in this academic year, commenced the Masters in Sports Nutrition, MSc Sports Nutrition course. I'd like to congratulate Dr. Karen for the initiative taken. We also are commencing the PhD program, which is again, so two of the highlights of this particular academic year has been commencement of two academic programs. There were problems and challenges. In spite of all that, our strength is full in terms of the admission. We have students from nearly 26 states, and right now the strength stands at 311 students, which is fully residential. We are also increasing in terms of our sports science. If you come, I think all those invited guests should visit our lab, our sports psychology lab, sports nutrition lab, exercise physiology lab. And I'm sure with all this, a number of equipments, the sports science equipments have been procured, and we are geared, we are getting ready to see how best we could support the athletes for excellence in performance. At the international level already, we have a number of medals being achieved. International, we have 4 medals. In the 37 national games, we had 8 participation, of which 1 gold medal. National championship, 11, of which 1 there was bronze. All India Intervarsity of 12 who gotten 3 silver, 5 bronze medalists. Northeast Zone Intervarsity, 20 qualified, 1 gold. Northeast Games, 8, of which 6 gold, 4 silver, 2 bronze. And at the state level is nearly 42, of which 2 gold, 1 silver, and 3 bronze. And in terms of publication, research, National Sports University is excellent, with most of the faculties having a number of publications in the national, international journals too. Our faculty did participate in national, international conferences, and for the intramural competition, the National Sports University had the inauguration of the competition for 2023-24 was done by Sri Shangla Neelakanta Sharma, who is the Arjuna Awardee Olympic bronze medalist and Asian Game gold medalist. We had Anita Chano. And when I speak of all this, I think we are indeed proud. When I look at this stage, this is a very heavy stage. Nowhere in the country people can dream of Olympians sitting here. So I think it's a matter of pride. Where people dream of one Olympian, I think we have got nearly 4 Olympians and 2 Arjuna Awardees, which is something exceptional. Manipur is a powerhouse of sport, and this shows what it is. So this clearly reveals that that Manipur state, the Northeast state, can be the sporting powerhouse, and I'm sure the national sports will try its level best that many more sporting talents and Olympians do rise. Since I mentioned we have the PhD program, placement cell is working very effectively. A number of our students are placed well, and I'm sure that could be the one whereby the strength could increase. We do have a literary society giving a platform for the sports person, because it's important that they need to speak up to. We also have a cultural club, and we also have the ICC, Internal Complainant Committee, which conducted the workshop, because so that an orientation was given. And at the Sports India Exhibition 2023, National Sports University engaged in the Sports India Exhibition, which was held in Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. And it was, the feedback given was excellent, where the national Sports University could gain visibility. Yet another achievement was in terms of on the occasion of World Mental Health Day, where the sports psychology department conducted a program, and we did conduct a program for the children of the relief camp, and that was excellent. Besides that, we had a community outreach program, and we had a seminar on the occasion of Mental Health Day, and also there was a mental health fair which was organized here, and it was done excellent. The National Sports University engaged in the special campaign 3.0. I think if you happen to see the campus now, you'll find what a wonderful facelift. The entire campus has changed, and it is due to the dedication of the staff and students of the National Sports University. I also would like to mention in the community outreach program, NSU women fitness team was sitting right in front of me. Most of them were 60 plus. I appreciate you because you have been doing excellent, and whether rain, sun, they're always there for the fitness workout, and they are the ambassadors for the National Sports University. I would also like to mention of Mr. Punshiba, who also received a Young Scholar Award, and which has been of $300 US at an international conference. So I'm sure NSU is gaining heights not only in the sports academia, in every discipline. This is what National Sports University is meant for. In terms of the construction, we are at the temporary campus in spite of all that we're able to do, but the physical progress of the construction new campus, the advancement and development of infrastructure facilities. And with all this, I'd like to thank Madam for gracing and being a part of this, and for each one of you who are present here. Thank you one and all. Thanks.
कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं आज के सम्मानित अतिथि श्री सोराम लोकेश्वर जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो मंच पर आए और हम सभी के साथ अपने विचार साझा करें। श्री सोराम लोकेश्वर सिंह।
All the distinguished guests occupying the main podium, and all the respected Olympians, Arjun awardees, and distinguished invitees. First of all, I would like to thank all of you to be present here on this auspicious day of the 6th Foundation Day of the National Sports University, Manipur. Now, I take this opportunity that on 13th September 2014, there was a panel discussion about the prospects and possibilities of the establishment of the National Sports University in Manipur. And there, among the panelists, many of them spoke about the curriculum and things to be done by the university and so on. But I was the only panel who spoke about the unsuitability of the new site of land at Yaithivi Local in the Thobal district. And on that occasion, I spoke about the importance of the starting of an university in Manipur, thanks to the efforts of our sports persons, and after that I specially focused on the topic of suitability of the Harautel sports venue offered by the local population of Kaudruk and near about it, because of the fact that the place is very near to the Dimapur Road, and even a person can walk on foot, and then it is very near to the Kangsup Road, from Imphal to Kangsup Road. So communication, good communication is the best means for the achievement of any project. And in the second point, I raised the point that the Kodruk area is the most suitable place because there is no hillock on eastern side and most probably on the southern side also. Therefore, good sunshine, especially in winter, will give fresh air and sunshine to the inmates of the university. And then another point is that sufficient water supply will be there for those hostelers and university. And then from the security point of view also, the army headquarters is there at Leimakong. And after all, the place is donated, or the inhabitants of the place were ready to donate a huge amount of land near about that. And moreover, the place was rather underdeveloped in those areas in Imphal West. Then this is one of the places where the selection committee of the site appointed by the government of Manipur visited there when all other places were examined, and therefore when the sufficient light was not there towards the evening, they did not give much attention to the spot. The spots they have recommended are the Yaitibi local, just on eastern side of Swara, and then another is Takmo Water Sports Complex. And therefore, among these three places, the then government decided to start the university sports complex there at the Yaitibi local site. Then thereupon, a series of land disputes occurred because in spite of the government's best effort, sometime in around 2014, they could not procure sufficient land in spite of the Modi government at its center granted 100 crores rupees for taking up the initial setup. Thereupon, towards 2017, in March, the BJP government led by Mr. Biren Singh came to power and then starting up the construction of, or the finalization of the site at Haraut there in Kotruk. So I am very fortunate, and perhaps I am the first man to have spoke about the suitability of the land there in the present site. And therefore, I am perhaps the luckiest man to have invited here to be one of the guests of honor. So this Foundation Day is very important. Why? Because Foundation Day is something like reviewing the past. For the last 6 years, the progress of the university construction perhaps, and not to speak of the administrative arrangement here in Kumalam Park, but the construction site there is going on rather in a slow speed because of perhaps many excuses may be there because of the law situation, etc., etc. In spite of that, we are to remember that when we perform such Foundation Day, we are to review the past, and we should remember the past. How happy we are now because of the good performance shown by the athletes of this university, this new university I should say. And this is the first time, although I was always associated with all the sports activities in Manipur. This is the first time that I was invited here. And I am very much thankful to all the organizers of the university. So, the foundation stone may be laid by the distinguished politicians or political leaders of the state, but actual foundation stone was laid by the Olympians, the Arjuna awardees, and thousands of sports persons who have signed in the national and international arena. It was with their help and the cooperation that Manipur has gained such a momentum of progress in sports. So I would like to remind you that in 1958, when the National School Games was performed there in New Delhi, at the time Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was there as the Prime Minister and as the chief guest of the function. There, Manipuri girls, school girls so to say, they came out and they entered the stadium, Nehru Stadium, in their attractive dress of fanek and moirangfi and green resham skirt. When they first entered the gate, the spectators started clapping hands until they reached the saluting base. And the spectators did not stop at all. And at that time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru asked the manager of the Manipur contingent. The manager was Thangja Madhu Singh, the then director of sports of Manipur. Then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gave a befitting appreciation of efforts of Manipuri girls, that he said to Madhu Singh, one day Manipur will shine in sports. So Manipur was praised now by the, most probably by the journalists of important newspapers of India, that Manipur is the powerhouse of sports in India. So as compared to its small population, Manipur has now earned a very good name in the field of sports and games. Then arts and culture, then our handicraft, etc., all join together to keep a place in the world about Manipur. Formerly, Manipur was very unknown to the rest of India. Now, Manipur has given at the top spot, and every household knows where is Manipur. So, I won't take much time because we might have exhausted for the long program here. And last of all, as I am concerned with the development of sports in the state, I'd like to say as a last word that in 2002, when the 32nd National Games was held at Hyderabad at the Gachibowli Stadium, then lakhs of people were assembled there on a closing function of the National Games, 32nd National Games. Atul Bihari Vajpayee was the then Prime Minister and the chief guest of the function. And there, while he started speaking, he came to a very nice saying, an important and unforgettable saying, that Khel Khatam, Paisa Hazam. There, the spectators assembled there gave a loud applause, unstoppable, and Prime Minister could not speak further for a few minutes. This is so important in the context of the present-day society in Manipur or elsewhere in India also. Whenever there was a national meet or international meet, there are scams because there is no dedication and transparency and accountability in the process of organizing such meets, be it everywhere in India. And therefore, all these things should be avoided wherever we organize any kind of national meet or other international meets. Therefore, our, say, sports department or sports organization are sometimes prone to go to corruption. In the matters of, say, accounts matter or inability to submit the APRs, etc., etc. So all these things, to avoid all such things, we are to focus mainly on dedication for the development of the sports and transparency in the account matters and accountability, that unless there is some sort of a punishment, we are prone to go to corruption. So this is one aspect. And another aspect is that when we take up any sports activities, we are to see that it is in interest of the youngsters. And therefore, these are the works to be taken up for the prosperity, for the welfare of the future generation. The present sports university here, we would like to see in the near future, very near future, that the construction work at her hotel will be complete and the sports university will be shifted there. And although in spite of my old age, I would like to see that National Sports University is flourished there. Thank you very much.
धन्यवाद श्रीमान, अपने विचार हमारे साथ साझा किए, तहे दिल से धन्यवाद।
I would like to take a moment to highlight that Sir is 80 plus and it's truly inspirational for all of us. We are blessed to have you with us and thank you so much for sharing your experiences with us. It is a contribution and dedication of personalities like you, because of which here in NSU we are able to see the day of light.
A huge round of applause, please. आगे बढ़ते हुए अब मैं हमारे दूसरे सम्मानित अतिथि श्री आकाश झा, अध्यक्ष कॉमनवेल्थ यूथ फॉर स्पोर्ट्स डेवलपमेंट एंड पीस, जो हमारे साथ ऑनलाइन जुड़े हैं, मैं उनसे अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो हमारे साथ कुछ शब्द कहें।
Let me take a moment to say a few words about our next esteemed guest. Shri Akash Jha has represented the voice of youth in the 10th Commonwealth Sports Ministers meeting held in Birmingham, UK, ahead of the opening of the Commonwealth Games in 2022. Sir has advocated the need for international standards and guidelines for development and planning of sports infrastructure across the Commonwealth. Sir has also advocated for inclusion of para-sports in the Commonwealth Youth Games. I request Sir to kindly bless and address the gathering.
Namaste, hello, and Kurum Jari from across to the people across the length and breadth of India at the National Sports University in Manipur. Unfortunately, I could not be there physically. I always wanted to be. And I extend my greetings towards all the distinguished guests on the dais, Olympians, Honorable Secretary Ma'am, who has been leading leadership and changing the contours of Indian sports, and the leadership of the Sports University under Usha Ma'am. So yeah, it's indeed a great moment of gratitude to be present towards the 6th Foundation Day of the National Sports University. And as in India has an upper edge in shaping this perception and adding more towards what the world is expecting towards from the highlight of the cutting edge sports, education, training, and across the various disciplines that they have been promoting in the physical education and the broad lines of sports. And as very recently we have been advanced vision that we are seeing across in the coming timelines. With the help of this, it would also add to the value of the inspiration that the incoming sports athletes and the para athletes especially have been making around this. So yes, I would encourage everyone that in the coming time, alongside we'll have more foundation days, but we'll also have more milestones and trajectory being remarked with the delivery of the National Sports University, making more athletes, making more the sports professionals. I believe that we have been imparting education alongside the sports management. We have been imparting education along with sports coaching. So we don't see a long day that we would have the global leadership on the global timelines, on the global decision making coming from the National Sports University of Manipur. And I'm happy to be here on this Foundation Day.
We indeed look forward to have you next time here in Foundation Day. Moving ahead, may I now, with utmost reverence, invite the chief guest of today's program, Srimati Sujata Chaturvedi, IAS Secretary Sports, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, to kindly address the gathering. Madam is the 1989 batch Indian Administrative Services Officers, officer of Bihar Kadar. She has been serving as Secretary of the Department of Sports since October 1st, 2021. Srimati Chaturvedi has previously served as an additional secretary in the Department of Personnel and Training. Ladies and gentlemen, I request Madam to kindly address the gathering. Ma'am, please.
As you know, we are doing extremely remarkable and interesting work in the world of sports these days. And we have had many successes in the last year, including the fantastic achievement of our youngsters at the Asian Games in China, the Para Games in China, and establishment of the National Sports University as an act of parliament itself. And we have seen a lot of good work being done by the university in the last few years of its existence from the temporary campus. This is the sixth खुशी से सेलिब्रेट किया जाए। डॉक्टर उषा इसके लिए काफी मेहनत करती हैं। डॉक्टर उषा और आपकी टीम को हार्दिक अभिनंदन। एक बार फिर मैं आप सभी विद्यार्थियों को, फैकल्टी, मान्य व्यक्तियों को बधाई देती हूं आज के ये फाउंडेशन डे की, और इस आशा के साथ अपनी भाषण को समाप्त करती हूं कि आपका राष्ट्रीय खेल विश्वविद्यालय, नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी उत्तरोत्तर प्रगति करे और देश में खेलों के लिए बहुत बड़ी ऊंचाई हासिल करे। धन्यवाद एंड जय हिंद।
Thank you so much, madam. We are highly privileged by your presence amongst us, madam, for blessing us and for motivating us to work towards success and excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, to proceed further, with the permission of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, madam, we would like to play the official video of Sports University for everyone.
देश को स्पोर्टिंग सुपर पावर बनाने का संकल्प लेकर के चल रही है। भारत सरकार ने अभी तय किया है मणिपुर की ताकत का परिचय करते हुए हमने निर्णय किया है कि मणिपुर में स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी बनेगी। एक प्रकार से विश्व में खेलकूद की दुनिया में भारत का नाम कमाने में मणिपुर का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है।
In 2018, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji laid the foundation stone of the National Sports University to revolutionize sports education and research in India. With a visionary outlook and unwavering determination, Shri Narendra Modi ji sees the NSU as a key initiative in unleashing India's true potential as a leading sports nation. The NSU is not just shaping the future of Indian sports, but also creating an inclusive community that nurtures a fiery passion for the game. It is a symbol of India's unwavering commitment to sports and a testament to the power of dreams and aspirations. The National Sports University is not simply a university. It is a beacon of hope for aspiring athletes and sports enthusiasts alike. It is a place where excellence thrives and passion is nurtured. Located in the heart of Manipur, a state known for its unwavering dedication to sports, NSU represents a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and aspirations, all united by the common goal of achieving greatness in the world of sports. NSU is where dreams come to life, where champions are born, and where the impossible becomes possible. It's a hub of excellence in sports education, research, and innovation. As India transforms into a sporting nation, NSU is committed to meeting the growing demand for skilled sports professionals. At NSU, we don't just train athletes to be successful on the field. We create champions who understand the science of sports, the technology that drives it, and the social and cultural factors that shape it. Our programs in sports science, technology, and management, as well as specialized training for athletes across various sports, are designed to produce world-class sports professionals who can compete at the highest level. From state-of-the-art facilities to world-class faculty, NSU is committed to providing its students with the best possible education and training. At NSU, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. The university's state-of-the-art research facilities and laboratories are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of sports science and technology. From developing new training techniques to improving equipment, NSU is at the forefront of sports innovation. Translating research done in our labs to the sporting and training fields, combined with internship opportunities and access to international experts, our students are excelling in every area of the sports industry. The National Sports University, where passion and hard work are celebrated and where excellence is the norm. But it's not all nose to the grindstone for our talented students. In addition to their rigorous studies and practice sessions, they also have the opportunity to let their creative flags fly through a variety of cultural and recreational activities.
अहमदा इकाई खुमनजरबा भारत की प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी बु मणिपुर द नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी लिंक पीबगीदमक इकाई खुनब फोंदोकचरी नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी लेरकपसिना इरमदमगी सानारोइसिंग कोचेस अमदी स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट सिंगदा यामना चावबा अचौबा अहोंबा अमदी कानबा कया पीदुना सानबगी लमदा ममांग थादुना लाकदोरिबा ओलंपिक कयादा अथोइबा इरमदम ओरकलगनी अरोइबदा नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी बु आइगी माइकेदगी याइफबा मंगोल पिजरी.
Present, NSU is offering undergraduate courses in sports coaching and physical education and postgraduate courses in sports coaching, physical education and sports psychology. Competitive sport is an integral part of the academic program of the university, and in a short period of time, NSU is already making waves in the sporting world. Students from the university have gone on to participate in various national and international sporting events and have earned accolades.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीराबाई चन्नू। ऑनरेबल पीएम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने मणिपुर में इंडिया के लिए नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी ओपन किया है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। मणिपुर में ऐसा यूनिवर्सिटी ओपन करना बहुत अच्छे है, क्योंकि मणिपुर में खेलों के मामले में पावर हाउस माना जाता है। इस यूनिवर्सिटी में नई जनरेशन की कोचेस, स्पोर्ट्स साइंटिस्ट और आने वाली जनरेशन की प्लेयर्स ट्रेन करने वाली है। आई विशिंग नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स यूनिवर्सिटी ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
NSU is making every effort to realize the vision of PM Shri Narendra Modi ji to make India a sporting powerhouse, and in a short span it has already come a long way towards realizing that vision. Even as NSU prepares to shift its operations to a new campus with world-class facilities for its students, it has successfully created an enabling environment for knowledge transfer and training in differentiated fields related to sport. In the coming years, it will occupy center stage in sports education and innovation, as it nurtures sporting talent not just at home but from across the world. Come, join us, be a part of the future of sports.
Of all activities and events here in National University family. अब हमारे माननीय डॉक्टर श्याम सुंदर रथ डीन स्टूडेंट्स वेलफेयर को धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव देने के लिए मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहती हूँ।
आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम। A graceful and warm afternoon to our most valued chief guest, guest of honor, Olympian, Arjuna Awadi, invited guests, teachers, coaches, and most beloved students, staffs, and all gathered over here. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. As William Arthur rightly said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present or not giving it. Today I take this opportunity to express my deepest sense of gratitude and appreciation to all those made this event such a resounding success. To begin, I, on behalf of entire fraternity of National Sports University, extend my most sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Sujata Chaturvedi, IS Secretary Sports, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, who spared his time with his busy schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you, Madam. Next, I would like to thanks to our beloved, respected guest of honor, Sri S. Lokeshwar Singh, sports promoter of Manipur, and Mr. Akash Jha, eminent personality of our country so far as our sports is concerned, who have taken time out of their busy schedule to grace this occasion with their presence. My sincere thanks to all our esteemed Olympians, Arjuna Awadi in the dais, who spent their the occasion. Mr. K. Thoiba Singh, Olympian, Padma Shri N. Kunjarani Devi, Olympian, K. Chinglasana Singh, Olympian, Susila Likbam, Olympian, O. Bembem Devi, Arjuna Awadi Football, and A. Rosivina Devi, Arjuna Award, Usu. Today you had the opportunity to hear your contribution, dedication towards your sports achievement, and also your disciplined lifestyle and positive thoughts. This is definitely encouraging our students for their future pursuit. Thank you very much. Now, I place on record Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Usha S. Nair, for her generous support and guidance for encouraging at every point of time of this great event. Your encouragement has consistently lustered all our endeavors. Thank you so much, Madam. I extend a very hearty and vote of thanks to all the distinguished invitees present here, accepting our invitation, all the respected coaches of SAIS, YAS, NSA, sports scientists, teachers and students of NSA, all the sports trainees of SAIS. Thanks of the they our respected registrar, Deputy Controller Mrs. Gehavati and Dr. and our DFO Madam Mrs. Tamte for their encouragement and support to make a great success. I also extend thanks to all the faculty members, coaches and staffs for their relentless effort, cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Here we are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of a very dedicated and motivated team of our university who know their tasks and very much result oriented. Thanks to all our faculty members and staffs. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staffs, particularly office, groundsmen, kitchen staff, housekeeping, who have worked hard to ensure this occasion became a memorable success. I mention my deepest sense of appreciation and will place to record my hearty thanks to all the loving students, volunteers, because of whom we made this function possible. I especially give my hearty and sincere thanks to all our conveners, members of various committee for this for a good, successful program. A big thanks to all our print and electronics media personnel present over here. Once again, I thanks you all for your kind attention. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dean, Students Welfare, National Sports University, Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath. On our Foundation Day, we seek sincerest blessings and wishes from all the well-wishers so that we succeed in our mission with a clear vision, that is, be the best and lead the rest in sports education, research and training across the globe.
राष्ट्रीय खेल विश्वविद्यालय का सिद्धांत शिक्षा, अनुसंधान और प्रशिक्षण के माध्यम से खेल उत्कृष्टता,
Sports excellence through education, research and training
को ध्यान में रखते हुए आप सभी से अलविदा लेते हैं.
Thanking you all again on our Foundation Day for making this journey a successful one. Ladies and gentlemen, Thagachari. After a short break, we will have the cultural program in a few minutes. So for that, I would like to hand over the mic to the convener of the Cultural Club, National Sports University, Dr. Karen Harish Tiwari. I also request all the dignitaries on the dais to kindly take the seat here in the front row so that we all can enjoy the cultural program.
I'm keeping this here extra, okay? This is a bit louder also. So, yeah, anything is fine, but in between if anything happens. I'm keeping this water here. We need to take these things, huh? Yeah. Yeah. हाँ हाँ मुझे नहीं बट प्रोग्राम के हिसाब से तो हाई की आना तो अरे मी after high tea it's difficult to bring everything. Yeah, that's why we beyond the sir high tea can be brought. सर सब लोग जाएंगे फिर वापस लेके आना बहुत so good. Hindi teacher. Hindi translate to head. Hindi. Good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I think we'll continue. Huh. Thank you, Dr. Lebla. I am Dr. Karen, the cultural convener of the National Sports University. Along with me, I have Dr. Sundar, who is the assistant professor and member of the cultural committee. So, namaste and Kurumjari to all of you, and I think this is going to be the most entertaining part of the 6th Foundation Day. I understand that the wait is longer to reach the stage, but still I would request all of you to engage in the cultural program which has been organized for you to take a dive into the diverse, rich tapestry and culture of India.
Shri Khet
Hello, 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 check, hello, 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 hello.
Shri Khetri Mayum Thoi Basing. Shri Khetrimayum Thoiba Singh is an Indian field hockey player who represented India at the Olympics and Asian Games. He played as a left winger and was known for his speed and stamina. Born in the year 1961 in Imphal, Manipur, to Khetrimayum Giridhon Singh and Khetrimayum Ombi Maikoibi Devi. Shri Thoiba Singh took to hockey early on in life and soon found his natural talent in the game. He was a member of the Indian field hockey team in the 1988 Summer Olympics held in South Korea, which India came in the 6th place. Shri Thoiba Singh caught international attention in a match played with the home team South Korea. The legendary Thoiba Singh, an Indian player whose physical appearance was very much similar to that of their players, scored 2 goals which dashed all hopes of the Korean spectators. Other than Olympics, he represented India at Asia Cup 1985-1989, Champions Trophy 1985-89, Aslam Shah Trophy 1985-1986, Asian Games 1990, World Cup 1986, Indo-Pak Test Series 1986, Five Nation 1988, and Indira Gandhi Tournament 1987. One of the finest hockey players in India, Shri Thoiba Singh was elected as the president of the Manipur Hockey Federation and was also a selector for Hockey India. Prior to this, he has also coached the Imphal Rangers Tier 2 in the Premier Hockey League. Presently working as Deputy General Manager, Food Corporation of India Regional Office, Imphal, Manipur. The National Sports University extends a hearty welcome to you, sir. Padma Shri Namairakpam Kunjarani Devi is an Indian weightlifter. She is among the most decorated Indian sportswomen in weightlifting. Kunjarani Devi was born on 1st March 1968 to late N. Rabai Singh at Kairang Mayailekai in Imphal to a Hindu Meitei family. She started taking interest in sports while still in high school in 1978. By the time she finished her graduation from Maharaja Bodha Chandra College in Imphal, weightlifting had become her first choice. She was a recipient of the Arjuna Award in 1990 and shared the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the year 1996-97 with Leander Peace. In the same year, she also won the KK Birla Sports Award. She also got her name registered in the Limca Book Personal of the Year 1998 and won many more prestigious national awards. She was also awarded President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service and Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2015. The Government of India awarded her the civilian honor of Padma Shri in the year 2011 in honor of her immense contribution in sports. She represented India in the Athens Olympic Games 2004 and finished in the 4th position. Madam has an astounding 68 international medals to her credit. To name a few, she won a gold medal at the 2006 Commonwealth Games held in Melbourne for 48 kg women's weightlifting with a Games record with an overall lift of 166 kg. Her first World Women's Weightlifting Championship was the Manchester edition in 1989 and brought home the silver medal. Since then, she has taken part in 7 successive World Championships and has won medals at every one of those competitions with the exception of the Melbourne edition in 1993. Madam N. Kunjarani Devi holds the rank of a Commandant and Nodal Officer of Central Sports Team in the Central Reserve Police force. She was also the coach of the Indian women's weightlifting team in the Commonwealth Games 2014 in Glasgow and has produced and inspired many athletes as a coach. The National Sports University is honored to have you with us today, Madam, and we extend a hearty welcome to you. Shri Kangujam Chinglen Singh is an Indian hockey player who was born on December 2, 1991 in Bashikong, Imphal West, Manipur. He plays as a halfback for the Indian hockey team. He is regarded as one of the best hockey players to thrive out of Manipur region. He is popularly known as Chinglen. Chinglen Sana was introduced to hockey when he was 8 back in 1999 when he went to watch the 5th National Games hosted by Manipur. He got a few years of guidance from legends like Brojen Singh, and then in 2006 he got a chance to show his talent in the Nehru Society tournament in the under-17 category in Delhi. Chinglen made his debut in the Indian team in the Champions Challenge 1 in South Africa in 2011. Since then, he has been a regular member of the squad. Chinglen Singh Kangujam was part of Indian men's national hockey team that took part in the Olympics 2012 and 2016, World Cups 2014, 2018, Asian Games 2014-2018, Commonwealth Games 2014-2018.
This team will be performing a traditional dance choreography called Kanglei Tokpa or Lai Nupi Tiba. Lai Nupi Tiba, the god Korifaba searching his goddess bride, is a ritual event from Lai Haroba. Lai Haroba is a ritual ceremonial festival of gods and goddesses of Manipur. To give a brief to the audience who are not from Manipur, it is being performed by the Amaibis, a medium or spirit possessor or commonly regarded as priestess. The Amaibis reenact the incident of Lord Korifaba competing his opponent with sportive events such as Mukna, which is wrestling, and Kong Kangjai, similar to polo, without horse or similar to modern hockey, and at last the Lord took a goddess with the polo stick and got married with the goddess. In this performance, the choreography tries to create for stage presentation with the flavor of traditional ritual performance of Lai Haroba. The names of the artists are Kaku, Kajal, Jessica, Dhanajit, and Shitajit as dancers. In the music, R.K. Upendra Singh, percussion, Sandeep, Pina and flute, Lansana Chanu, vocal. The performance direction is by Dr. Manju Alangban and assistant Jaya Kumrakpam. So get ready to listen to the cultural heritage, traditional festivities of Manipur and enjoy your refreshments.
蛮大那个波。 Si kay no khale khalo nang ye tu poi nei ta dai ka pon da wei chara di 4 gi makha ka pon mai wang mai na mai mam da mama ka bo hai ban da pa se da nang pa ni ngong lâu rồi không cả lâu rồi lâu rồi đi lâu cái tầm đấy alo cái này nói cảm ơn gì lâu rồi मिल गया अरे यार सिर्फ हम ऐसा
Let us give a bigger round of applause for this beautiful, beautiful performance. This was the creation of Dr. Manju. Usually we don't get to see a combination of dance and drama together in such a performance. So let me just welcome Dr. Manju if he's around. Please give a round of applause to Dr. Manju and his team. It was such a beautiful performance. We got to see, yes, please. So we got to see the Manipur University of Culture performance in the Youth Festival last year. And that's when we realized that the university was so profound and so technical with all their performances. And Dr. Manju was leading the team then. So congratulations to everyone who performed this act.
Thank you very much for inviting, especially from the Manipur Sports University, to have a connection with the Manipur University of Culture, as I am an assistant professor teaching out there in the Manipur University of Culture. As Manipur is rich in culture as well as sports, so the way of tying up that Madam is inviting the coordinator of this university about the culture is very important to showcase not only the strength of the body, but also the aesthetics, the beauty of Manipuri people to the world. And it's very fortunate for us to have a connection, and then we hope that it will be continued in the coming years also, and then the progress will come and make the society peace will be spread from Manipur throughout the world. Thank you very much, and these are the students and then the faculty members of the Manipur University of Culture, and I think, Madam, and then if we have the opportunity to have a picture with the VC ma'am and all, so it would be grateful. Thank you.
We will also honor the team with a felicitation, and I would request Honorable Vice Chancellor Ma'am and Registrar Sir to kindly honor the team.
फोटो
Honoring Dr. Manju, Assistant Professor, Manipur University of Culture. R.K. Upendra Singh on percussion. Yeah. Jaya Kundrangpam. Yeah. Lesana Chanu on the vocals. RK, okay, Sandeep on the flute and penna. RK Upendra Singh on percussion. Benedict. Jessica. Penica. Okay. Kajal. Yes. Yes. Sheetal Jeet. Last. Okay, he is the main character of the entire program today. We have Kaku. Thank you once again, Dr. Manju and his team for the wonderful performance. Moving on, now we have the National Sports University with their club's performances. So we will start with the music club. So discover the union of sounds and cultures where Western beats and traditional Indian songs blend together in a seamless mix. Our cultural club is on a music voyage that transcends boundaries, merging ancient ragas with contemporary rhythms. Come experience soul-stirring performances that bring the greatest aspects of both worlds together. So hope you all enjoy the Western Music Club performance.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Check, check, check. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, check. Thank you, everyone.
Let's give a bigger round of applause to the music club and for their beautiful performance. I think it was very, very nice to listen to them singing in different pitches, tones and vibrations and taking us back to old memories of our college times. Moving ahead, we also now have the dance club of the National Sports University going to showcase a fusion of different diverse cultures that are there across the country. We will have performances starting from Manipur, then we have a performance from Arunachal, from Assam, Bengali dance, and last but not the least, all of them coming together in unison to make it known, to vocalize that we are all Indians after all. Welcome our students with this fusion dance.
অচেনা দেশের তরে তোর সাথেই তে পান করে মোর মনের প্রজাপতি নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় আগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর সাগর আকাশে নিয়ে যায় আগুনের মোহনায়
ঝকঝকে বানাস একবারে যেই ঘুইরা তাকাস লাগে ঝাকাস পদ্মা নদীর ইলিশ খাইয়া রূপখানা কি ঝকঝকে বানাস ওলালা 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 ওলালা
जाओ जी मन बीत कराओ जी अरे क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी हर चले उन्हें बंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर गुड़ में जागी दो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पा ही खुशी रे झुम 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 हमारे गुड़ में जागी धोकनी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में बादी खुशी रे झुम 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 हेलो
झमाझम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात वाली हमारी यारियां जाले सारा जहां बेपुर सुन ले ओ छोरियां नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया कुरमा पावो वारियो ने मारो सूठो सोनी गो जागो जवान लाल भमरिया लाल भमरिया लाल भमरिया
के स्वागत करावे सजली राहे मंगल गावे मन उपजी फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनोरी रे किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा फरियारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो जी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो शुभ दिन आयो बनने आयो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो शुभ दिन आयो बनने आयो नयो नयो सो रंग ले आयो होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे होठों पे मुस्कान गुलाबी लायो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
हो मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आजमाना यार बाज हम जान साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
I think that was a scintillating performance by the dance club of the National Sports University, bringing together the different cultures and calling us as India. And it makes a lot of difference that we have a university where we can represent different cultures and yet become one. So give a round of applause for our university and our dance club for this wonderful performance. Now, last but not the least, we have one more performance by Miss Hemawati, who is from the National Sports University Community Club, the fitness club. So I request Miss Hemawati to please come and render the song. Miss Hemawati is also very popular in Manipur. She's an actress as well. So she's multi-talented. So please give a bigger round of applause to her.
Hello, hello. I say hijabana sadi khoi madam na. I say matang present we have the day madam ki yathang injabani mayam service ngapiyo. Kanglu ni ai khoi mi woi ba mapoki karigi khairi jati bijati. Kanglup ni ai khoi mi oi ba mapoki karigi khairi jati bijati. Bharat popani Bharat chaubani Bharat popani Bharat chaubani. Ai khoi se bharat imagi machani karigi khairi jati bijati. Machu kayagi leirang kayana amat oiba paring sembagum. Machu kayagi leirang kayana amat oiba paring sembagum. Hindu Musalman Sikh Isai Hindu Musalman Sikh Isai oisine amata paringi leizal. Oisine amata paringi leizal. Chaukhat pakayagi khudung induna shemlasi ai khoi su chaukhat pai lambel. Chaukhat pakayagi khudung induna shemlasi ai khoi su chaukhat pai lambel. Bharat se ai khoi gi warabi ima se Bharat se ai khoi yauhan si amuk awang bethakta. Bharat se ai khoi gi warabi ima se yauhan si amuk tang awang bethakta karigi khairi bijati. Hingmin na si ai khoi hingmin na si ai khoi hingmin na si ai khoi hingmin na si ai khoi. Tai bang malem lei kol sida Tai bang malem lei kol sida leirang na sa si leirang si leirang na sa. Hingmin na si ai khoi hingmin na si ai khoi. Pari mamo masili nai no kisi tham gum si ꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯇꯅꯤ ꯈꯦꯟꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯎꯠꯅꯒꯨꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ hingminasi aikoi. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Request you, Vice Chancellor Felicity.
I'd like to tell because Hemavati ma'am is from a member of the NSU fitness team, women fitness team. And do you know how old is she? Ma'am is 70 and the most fit of our group. Is one of the most fit person. She writes poem and I'm so much impressed by her. Because short story poem she translated English, she gave me to read. So she's great a writer, a good orator, and I just asked her now in 2 minutes, ma'am, can you just give a song? She volunteered and came in, and I think we are proud, NSU team, proud of you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Miss Hemavati ma'am, for that beautiful and graceful performance. With this, we have come to the end of the cultural program for the 6th Foundation Day of the National Sports University. I hope all of you have gone through a journey rich with India's diverse culture and heritage, and you all will take back home that we are a very proud nation and we are a very proud people as Indians. So that is the message that we wanted to convey as a cultural club. Thank you all. Towards the end, we also want to felicitate or honor some of the efforts of people who have done or organized this event. And I request
Dr. Karen. It was wonderful, and along with her, the entire band of team. Maybe you could call all of them on the stage. Are they here? The club, culture club. It was wonderful. You did. I know you practiced in a short time. Gave such a wonderful performance. Are you there? The entire team is here. Please come on the stage. Because this particular team, they were working for almost nearly 1 week. 1 week practice under teacher, right? Somebody did. 1 day. 1 day. Don't tell me. Okay, please come onto the stage. 1 day. Oh, this is only 1 day. So they are superb. If it was 1 week means, you can imagine things would have been very different. So please come onto the stage because including the Culture Club advisor, coordinator, Dr. Rakesh, Mr. Rakesh and Dr. Karen, please come onto the stage. Registrars. We'll have a photograph session along with them. It was wonderful. Congratulations. It was wonderful, superb. You made India.
Now let me welcome the staff for felicitation, and they will be felicitated by our Vice Chancellor, Registrar Sir and Dean Student Welfare. May I request the driving staff to please come forward. May I request the driving staff, the security staff, the attendant and supervisor, housekeeping staff, the mess staff and ground staff to please come onto the dais. May I call the security staff onto the stage. The driving staff, please may I request the audience to give a round of applause for the staff. They have tirelessly worked to coordinate, to give invitations, to support our university in all the activities. May I request the security staff to please come on to the dais. May I now welcome the attendant and supervisor to please come on to the dais, as well as the housekeeping staff. May I also welcome the housekeeping staff onto the dais. Thank you all for your efforts in upkeeping of National Sports University functioning. May I welcome the mess staff to please come on to the dais. We have a very dynamic and energetic mess staff who serve the hostel. Let's all welcome them and appreciate them for their efforts. Let me also welcome the ground staff, who are the most mehnati people, who help in running the show for us in terms of training, sports training, provide the required support for NSU. Requesting all the staff to come to the dais for a group photo.